Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have some nail tips here. I think these are from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉, not 100% certain, but I'm going in with Mia's Secret Extra Bond to etch the outside of the nail tip so that the gel polish will adhere. Acts like a double-sided sticky tape. So we're going to do a mani using two of the colors from Madam Glam's Pot of Gold collection. So we're gonna get into it because I can't remember the names until I get to it in the video. So the two colors that I will be using are Blessing and 24K. And as I mentioned in the previous video, I don't know which one I'll release first, this one or the other one. When I first swatched Blessing, I didn't realize that it had like a shimmer to it. It's a white shimmer gel polish, and I was pleasantly surprised. And I was like, oh, this has shimmer in it. So I'm going to apply one thin coat of color to the nails, and then I'm going to cure it in my LED lamp. So I apply just, solid color, nothing special. I do apply Blessing, which is the white, to what will be my ring, the nail for my ring finger and my middle finger, because I'm going to go in with some water slide decals. And on the thumb, I am just going to apply that color to half of the thumbnail, because I only want the water slide decal that I'm going to be using, I only want it on the top half of the nail. And then after I get that polished on all nails, I'm then going to go in and cure under my LED lamp. So here are the nails after the first coat. I'm going in and applying a thin second coat, but 24K gold, that's a pretty glitter gold. And so I am actually a VIP member of Madam Glam, so I pay $29 a month and I get a $29 credit. I just let that build up to purchase a bunch of gel polishes that I don't have at one time. I'm trying to make it hold out until Black Friday, but I don't know about it because it's a pretty big amount at this point. So if you're not a VIP member, I do have a discount code that will save you about 35 to 40% off your purchase. I will have that description code or discount code in the description box below. I don't know what I'm talking about, description code, but discount code in the description box below, along with the bit.ly link that will take you directly to Madam Glam's website, and you can select the pay as you go option when you're ready to check out and introduce my coupon code to receive that discount. So here are the nails after the second coat of color. I do have some practice gold 4-leaf clover decals from Coco Decals, or it used to be Coco Designs, and this was a practice sheet that came in March of 2022. So that's how long I've been using these decals, or her decals. And so while I wait for the decals to release from the paper backing, because I did spray them with water, I do go in and apply Madam Glam's base coat and cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And I'm removed the excess water from the water slide decal, and I'm trying to smooth that out. I'm sorry I'm out of frame. This one was a little hard to get smooth, and so what I did was, off camera, I applied a layer of base coat, cured, applied a layer of top coat, cured, and then I took a nail file and just a buffer and just filed the excess off of the nail, and then I went in and applied another layer of top coat, because that was the best thing to do for these decals. I mean, I don't know if it was the paper or what, or because they 2022, that was over a year ago, March of 2022. Matter of fact, that was 2 years ago, because March is Friday. And so for this one, I'm just applying that to half of the nail, and then, like I said, I apply base coat, cure, top coat, cure, and then I buff the nail and file it to remove the excess decal from the free edge and the side walls. And so after that, I do go in with some rhinestone glue gel to the thumbnail where the line is that separates the whites from the glitter, and I apply some gold rhinestones that I already have laid out. And so once I do that, I'm going to cure, and I do apply these nails with some sticky tabs. And so here are the nails. You can see the little wrinkling in there despite, you know, the extra layers and the buffing. But needless to say, I thought it was cute and simple. And so here's the finished look. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.